Today I am bringing you a dish that has taken the internet by storm. Onion boil. It's buttery, it's delicious, and it's so easy to make. Trust me, if you try this recipe, you wouldn't want to stop. Without wasting your time, join me. Let's get started. For this recipe, here's what we will need. Onions, garlic, butter, vegetable broth, maple syrup, and a mix of warm aromatic spices. To add a little heat, we are adding some pepper flakes. I will give full measurements in the description. First, we are going to start by bringing 3 cups of broth to a gentle boil. This is the base of all that amazing flavor. Now let's infuse our onions with some bold flavors. In a separate pan, melt your butter over medium heat. Then add your minced garlic, paprika, thyme, ground black pepper, and pepper flakes. Let those saute for about a minute until your kitchen smells incredible. Now gently add your halved onions into the simmering broth. Cut side down so they soak up all the broth. Next, add in the garlic butter mixture. You want to rinse the pan with some broth and add it to the simmering pan. No waste of precious spices. Go ahead and add Liquid Aminos seasoning. If you don't have it, use soy sauce. That works too. Add the maple syrup. You can use honey if you prefer. Finally, add fresh lemon juice. This is going to take the flavor up a notch. Now reduce the heat and let the onions simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. We want the onions to be soft but still hold their shape. After 30 minutes, our onion boil is ready. Just look at that. These onions are buttery, tender, and full of rich, savory flavors. Look at that. Now let's add a little fresh parsley for a pop of color and freshness. This is absolutely delicious. The onions are melting in your mouth soft, and the broth bursting with flavor. You can serve it with crusty bread, over rice, or even with mashed potatoes. Believe you me, this dish is a winner any day. There you have it. Your own homemade onion boil recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share with friends and family so they will enjoy this deliciousness with you too. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. And hit that notification bell so you will not miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.